Alright, welcome to bestgamecamera.com. You've now got your new NX50. We're going to show you how to set this thing up. It's very easy, very simple to use. I call it the practical man's camera. It's priced well, has a lot of good features, a lot of good distance, and a lot of good battery life. So right out of the box, you're going to have a easy startup guide that you can read. It comes very handy. We have the camera itself. And then we have some cables. You have your AV audio video cable, which you can plug your camera into your TV to view the pictures. And you also have a cord to plug it in directly into your computer that you can view pictures. Honestly, the easiest thing is just take that SD card out. If you're out in the field, swap it with a different one. View your pictures at your computer. You're then going to save battery life on overall, and it's going to keep it out in the woods or surveillance more, so it's being used and not sitting at the home because you watched it on your TV. The camera itself has a flip down hinge where you then have your screen. On the bottom you have your battery compartment, which I have loaded all 8 batteries into the bottom. You have a on switch, a test mode in the middle, and on, so off, test, on. You have your USB computer port and your video port. You also have a port if you choose to use one of the external flash extenders with this model. And then you also have the bottom where the SD card pops right in. Now this will hold up to a 16 gigabyte SD card. Now that the batteries and the card are all in, we can flip the camera to test mode, and you will see your screen will come on. Now you have your main menu, and you can always go back to the main menu by hitting the M button. You have live preview. Here's where you can aim your camera, see exactly what the camera sees. Menu go back. Photo video playback. To view your pictures or your videos, you would hit OK, and you can do so there. Camera mode, up and down to change video or photo. And if you have it on photo, you will have the option of the megapixel, 1.3, 3, 5, and 8. If you have it on video mode, you will then get the option of the video length, and you can adjust it from 0 to 60 seconds. This camera is equipped with the video sound, which you can turn on or off. Quiet time is the time between pictures. So it takes a picture, how long do you want it to wait before it takes another picture? Illumination. If you use the flash extender, you can turn the camera infrared bulbs on or off. Temperature, degrees, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Date and time stamp. You can turn this off or on. That'll stamp on the video or on the pictures. Set your date and time there. Choose a format, the time format, and then actually set the date and time at the bottom. Access control is your password protect, where you can set any password that you choose. Battery type. If you're using alkalines, hit alkalines. If you're using nickel cadmiums, choose the nickel cadmium to make it run more efficiently. Format SD card. Very important step. The first time you ever introduce a new SD card to this camera, you will want to format it, and that goes for any camera that you have. The camera information simply shows you how many files are on the SD card, the storage left, and the firmware version that you currently have on this camera. If the company upgrades a firmware version due to a problem or just a new upgrade, you can upgrade this camera very easily. Menu always brings you back, and that is how you set up your brand new NX50 camera. From here, you can simply turn it on. You will notice your blue light will flash. The minute it starts to flash, the camera will start triggering. Thank you from bestgamecamera.com.